To use your SHARK CryoGlow mask, you'll need to use your remote. To turn on your mask, press and hold the dial until the home screen appears. A short demo video will play on your first use. Once in the main menu, click Routines to begin a session. Scroll through the options and press the dial to start. Press the dial again to pause or resume. Press the chill button to adjust the chill level of the under-eye cooling pads, toggling from level 1 to off. To end early, press back. Click Your Progress to see completed sessions. Click Settings to adjust brightness, choose a language, reset progress, factory reset the mask, re-watch the demonstration, or access customer support. When you're done, turn off the mask by pressing and holding the dial until the screen turns off.